Hello everyone, this will be a quick one because I will be heading out to go to work in a minute. Coming on, I go to because waja shina wonyo Omenala. Let me put this thing on. Imano ihe ka na anya n'olu. Nde shina ha wo ndo Omenala. Ndo Omenala na eziokwu na ndo Omenala na ezi ase. Because ana agba ha okwu, we dress the way they look like. They normally address themselves. What I go now. It's gonna be a quick one because I'm running out. I'm going to work in a short period of time. Waja. I will mix him now with okpu Igbo. Waja because when you keep what people nke we eziokwu. Ashino kia anaha nọrọ ụlọ ewu ana amanobu. Waja tell people the reason why Mathias is still detained by this date. Ihe na akọ is not what happened. This thing that you came out to deceive people and trying to paint the lies that happened in the station and what is really incrementing Mathias. What people look at Ezeaku, that Mathias is not coming out anytime soon. That what they found in those phones that Mathias was hiding is very, very alarming. You see, all these older men that believe in tradition, but open your mouth. As Omenala, unu claim that you guys are the ones that tell us the truth. What people Ezeaku, what is really holding Mathias as it is now? Now you came out and you told people that the reason why Mathias is being healed or held, whatever you want to put it, not because onye gbara ya akwụkwọ anohu within you guys reach. Now do you want to tell me that Madu mega arrest, you are not in town, a whole duogi, under what law? I want to find out under what law. Why Lunu when Ezeaku that will stand out and speak for Mathias? Now, you see why I told you that that Mathias in a lead, majority of them are touts. They don't reason. Some of them are educated, but they don't have common sense to back their claims up. They will come under this video now and start ranting, which I don't have their time. They know me. I don't get time. Waja, please, quickly, kindly, majestically, proudly, as Omenala, tell people what is holding Mathias as he stands now. All these things, we are negotiating not to go to court. Is it a Bukobi that will take Mathias to court? No. If police find something incriminating in those phones, Bukobi has no other rights whether to pursue the case or not. The judiciary system, the police will take Mathias to court. So you guys should stop all these painting works. Kana Akashi, all these gullible followers. Kana Akashi Hobi. Kana paint the works for the. Look at that useless one, or Udela. He came out a few days back, was lamenting on the platform. I don't know only Vula message call that this case will not go far, that he's going to make a contact, that he's going to do this, that he's going to do that. And people are still writing, following the touts. I told you that. Show me the kind of people you follow, then I will quantify. I will not analyze. I will not upgrade your standard and your level of reasoning. You understand what I'm saying? Ght came out few days back, lamenting, gallivanting on social media, showcasing stupidity. You understand what I'm saying? Telling people, giving them hope that can make echo, blah 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 blah. I will do this, I will do that. I mean, the same Udela, the tout, the riffraff, the mad hoodlums on the streets, that is on the streets, patrolling himself as the godfather of the touts, as the godfather of all these hoodlums. And people sat down, the so-called elect, the so-called elites, the so-called graduates, the so-called people that we should be listening to. sat down peacefully, listening to somebody who have never contributed anything reasonable, who have never achieved anything, who have never moved our youth forward, as so-called that the society is not benefiting the youth. All we see the name every day is Yaganavanteba, Yetieba, Kunyara on our streets. I just lose open. I can begin to wonder, who are you guys listening to? Who is feeding your brain, the leftover brain that Nigeria really dragged you all and manacled all of you to an extent that you red and black and blue? Who are your associates? Who do you listen to? Now, you guys should be asking Udela, what about the contacts, the voice notes you played for us on that fateful day? Where are the the contacts? Where are people that you were calling us that say, oh, Wagada, anyway, maybe the contacts matter, a release Mathias, the contacts matter, a menka. Now, these are the questions all of you should be asking. So, waja, as an elderly, as the confused followers you are, because I used to think you were a common sense. I used to hold you on high esteem. I never knew that you are also one of them. That you don't have something to write home about. Everything about all of you is that social media on our where everybody come in and be yanning or water with nothing to write home about. Now my question still lie. Tell the world the truth. Can the police discover an email phone Mathias? As it stands now, what is the next target? Give me Mathias is still there. I thought some touts, some illiterates, we are saying, oh, you're not going to hold nobody within more than 24 hours a release Yegi. Not knowing that every case differs. When you plan to murder people, where you're on Omenala, now this discussion, where people are gathering, having discussing about how to fight or mellow or kill people, you think your case is the same thing with others. When you beginning to sell nude, now planning how to sell nude, how to get women nude, how to lure people. The case differs. So you make arrest, even another person then get the same way you see, that's why sometimes I wonder Facebook whether a question is scream of people brain before they join them on this blue app. That should be one of our priority now, because Mandara, Mande goof, Mande cocaine. My people that have lost their identity, my people who standard of reasoning, all of them now are on Facebook. So what I'm saying, waja, I say, in our people, me porno, but people, all these gullible people that they are panicking. Why would they panic? Do you guys have anything to fight a Bukobi? And when you have Apoko, before you fight someone, he get way ya. Matter more on your level. Whether when this thing come, will you be able to challenge all these differences? You get, sometimes I can't talk with Brent. That's why he was able to maneuver and scam and brainwash how many people. The guy with a common sense. Money common. Oh, look at all the DBS that came out before him. He's one of the richest among all. Oh, with a common sense in Anambra. Not all men from Anambra reason like that. But majority of whom Anambra with common sense. That was why he was able to navigate his own pattern of getting things. Tell people the truth. Why to date? Stop jump. Gini mere Mathias ejigide today. Gini ka inside those phones. That should be questions should be answered. Gini no ime phone na. So take ichi gbamu no wuzi ha akuzayon. O wuzi ro akuzayon mere this tout ana ko Mathias arrest. This idiot. And another advice that brought me here now is Simon Ekpa. My brother, with a seat, I need to talk to you. Majority of people will not tell you. Because share this video, tag Simon Ekpa. I want to talk to you in a language of a layman. And I hope you will understand. My brother, your position should be limited in things like this. Position should be limited in things like this. Yourself into. Dive yourself into. You are fighting for freedom. Freedom fighters don't look every piece of news online. I'm telling you, so you will still hold the little respect. Because I'm seeing now, you are the only one who cannot survive. Every other person. If you reduce your standard to you will not have values anymore. You will not have reverence. Nobody will reference you anymore. Your high of high excellence will reduce. The truth. Because you will keep the Christian, majority of Christians they follow you too much. And majority of people that don't like what this hoodlums is doing is too much. Reduce your associate and reduce yourself from getting involved in many things. You are fighting for freedom. Keep the volume high. Keep riding the trainer, the airline or the plane. Please don't let everybody to touch it. Because you keep dabbing into every tone, you will lose your values. Do not deviate. Stop using everything as a threat. Stop using everything as a threat and people will start panicking. You have a lot of tax. Onye na-eme ihe Biafra the two on ezo onwe ezo uhokwu niile ka ọ na-amanye ọnụ. Let Mathias deal with his locality. Remove yourself from Oka from Ota. Ke happy disvalue yourself. Nkemna is the fact. Even if you want to get involved, you should not use your face. Look for people on the ground. You see this thing you're showing now. You are about to go down like every other people that have fallen apart in this game. Like Ikenga they confuse like millions of them. You are now the only person people are looking up to. My brother, don't discredit your values in terms of mingling around on these kind of things. Remove your hands from things like this. Or you should be targeting now, because the information that I have gotten, Mazinan the Khan will be vindicated by ending of December or January. Mazinan the Khan will be free. So hold on to it. Don't lose guard. Happy make mistake. Don't miss it. So my brother, keep away from Matthias' stupidity. He's a tout. He has consulted a lot of bullshit on social media. Let him fix his facts. After all, Inola Badmos arrested a girl that accused her from arranging people. The girl on 6 years imprisonment now. So, so my brother, everybody have fought and failed. As only they will hold very tight. Because don't lose those relevance. Don't lose those amenities. Don't lose those respect. People are seeing oh when you cannot survive in Iwaji. Amanye no no na nshe. Oku Mathias wo oku nshe. Stay your day. Leave Ebukobi alone. Let them deal with it. Let me tell you, my brother, Ebukobi is not the only person that have ever arrested someone or Ebukobi members. They are not the only person. Mathias, my brother, you should be asking yourself, if I want to phone Mathias, bring it to nothing. You listen to my advice or you will not. When national war or war gunine kadike naga. Any experienced lawyer today, or when a case he gave with Tria, he will just throw it away. Now, this is not the case I handle. But all these charge and bear lawyer, all these longer throat lawyers, case you give with Tria case now because of Agon, how many no, my brother, Agon and Agon at this struggle. Remain on that high jump. Now we are. If you make a mistake and reduce, you are done. Now let me go back to Waja. Waja. Look at your countenance. Look at your movement, your body language. You couldn't even coordinate the program you came out. You were just run. Gini ka ahụrụ ma ihe ifonu Mathias. Why ejigide Mathias ruo taa? All these your gullible followers, all these your gullible ndentunde shira ha windo omenala. Ndentunde ndagoro abami ha ahụ. Nwotala? Ndentu a. Gide ele ha awani na the hungry people that unu ga send ha ga bomb church ya ga. Nda unu brainwash. Waja, you said they are panicking. They are accusing you guys of not doing anything. Yes, why wouldn't they? Because you guys now Mathias I get dinner there one day. Mathias will not dinner there. Come on, Mathias get dinner there one day. Wawa beer. Come on, Mathias get make a wawa beer. You want to go? Come on, Mathias get garahun dahi in a second. Wani na to beer. Mathias cannot sleep there. My dear, what happened? Where is this case heading to? What is cremated in those phones? That's the question all of you should be asking. Nobody they carry on. Oh, Mama G, because I'm not going to disagree on this kind of a thing. I'm not going but I'm not going to Mama Chidi, Mama Klichi, I think
ya nwanne gị Mathias Chineke Ght Ogechi si na ọwụ na America ka ị nọ ihe Mathias nọ na America eche ịgwa m na ndị polisi ga-abịa egiri Mathias ka m gwa gị ka ewe eziokwu polisi Nigeria despite the fact na m na gị wụ asị m ọkpọ ya ere nne gị reggae Ishi bịa. In fact, you shot talking about in fact. You shot talking about Ogechi.
Because I take a moral.
I want you to cancel all I'm your about one day. Iman Nigeria today, Ndi Igbo to Nigeria. Lanya, I know. Mathias forget.
Do you see the reason why I don't want to bring you in?
You are forgetting.
Oh, yeah, they call them from Taiwan.
I get making circumcision again. I get
C-section.
Mathias no police. Because they go to Nigeria, Mathias Iji no there. Mama, I want to go because Mama,
I'm going to work, eh? I ain't got no time to spare right now, eh? Next, tomorrow is my campaign, and I make my fundraising tomorrow for our hospital project. So tomorrow, no, tomorrow is my campaign. I will start campaign tomorrow. I'm not working tomorrow.
That's what I'm saying. Let time maybe
in the I think I'm not double time. It may go. Bonus. I'm like it may stay over. But the amount I will not stay. But
the to go. Magina and Roba.
Ogechi, and do so no more now. Mama G, when I came to America, now only one day I did sleep for my house. Mama G,
I don't like him. We
are not the actually became mother. I'm sorry, I'm a drug. You don't get you, eh? Each time he come, mano. You see me, you're not the best option, you're not the best medication here. You're not the best medication here. So onye ọla na-aṅụ mmanya na-aṅụ sịga na-eme di ọnwụ unu kabitin na-epe n'ọnụ. Ihu na nke hụrụ m awụ m inji
mụnwa anụm cigar, but nna ana m atụlatụ bia.
to be comparing me and be mmanya kemgbe nne na nna chiri mụọ m.
Eji ma ịhụ na ihe ọwụ nwụcha ya mepe. Nwụcha mepe Ogechi bịa aga m ọrụ Chineke akpọ.
So Mama G, when I have time, you see Mathias case, you and I get to go to trouser. You want to go? This case is not
as far as police, him truck aka before. As far as police case, police case is waiting because that's your main purpose.
And not give anything.
Me sure no can as far as
you feel me? Every single thing that he's
singing me sure no me she can walk. Me she bugi can walk. Lanya Lanya mangwagi, Lanya, the truth is this, Mathias Ezeaku because Nigeria is governed by Ndi Igbo.
Let me tell you
our laws, our Lanya Ogechi get no can onye next remember again. You get can
no, I'm not because you're not making correct points. Are you
something they make again? Ogechi, this American, let's start from where you live. Do you pay police? Do you pay police people to go for an arrest? Yes or no? Ogechi, do you wait? Do you pay for Ogechi wait? Do you pay police people to go for an arrest in America? Yes or no?
America is well structured, and when they are
why you taking the well structured? Why can't you fight for that?
Nigeria to America is a wrong example.
America is it not governed by human beings?
No,
okay. America is it not governed by human beings like us? The answer
period. As far as we live in Nigeria, until we rebuild that country, now we will start the way.
We rebuild it. Why here now? Are they against Mathias Ezeaku? No olive oil, no water. Ogechi, no olive oil. No water, no wagi. Like he got hospital.
So I get what discussion later. So I don't have room for idiots that will come to my platform to comment. I still maintain my stand. Block all of you. Because when they went room, okay, I will join you to fight Mama Shi. Do me a favor to give her date. Of course, I want him now. I want him from time, you know, today. Mama G want him. You want to go? So don't worry about it. Like I said, and I'm up here. So under Waja, Omenala, tell the world what is really happening. Can you protect our plan? But for Christians, are we in a call with the cocoa? We don't come to dress and today. So don't worry. We iron the whole thing. So happy Mama G now come. Mama G. We will settle our differences, oh? I'm so please join me tomorrow for our ad. We are running our ad for our raising fund for our hospital project tomorrow. I'm like, go again. My bonus again. Taboo. Gamma double rotas in the morning. You need to feel my best campaign. So that depends on the Benjamin I gave women. So if they can be able to original bonus, I will stay over. But if okay, you are looking, thank you, Mike. I'm getting ready to go to work, honey. Happen to cigarette, happen to weed. So when you are aging, it will not affect you. You messed up your life. I never in my life. I'm hyper already. Imagine if I start drinking. I love you too, baby. So can always share my program, always share this page. They are attacking my page like F. So, guys,